Everyone, it's your host again on your favorite show, Health Talk with Dr. Mo, where we keep it relatable, real, and rooted in facts. And today we're going to be talking about another interesting episode. Today, we're talking about cervical cancer and how you can prevent it. Do you know that cervical cancer is the leading cause of death in women, yet it can be prevented? 95% of it is caused by a virus called the human papilloma virus. And there are two phenotypes that are culprits in this cervical cancer. You have the HPV-16 and the HPV-18. Many women are carriers of this without knowing, and so they can develop cervical cancer at any point. 10% of women in the general population carry these phenotypes that cause cervical cancer, and they're not even aware about it. How can you be aware about it? Because if you do not do anything about it, you can progress to having cervical cancer. And do you know one thing? Cervical cancer can be prevented. It is one of the preventable cancers that a woman can have. And you know what you can do? There are two major things that you need to do. One of it is immunization. Do you have girls between the ages of 9 and 26? Please take them for vaccination. They will take 2 shots of the vaccines, and this will give them a lifelong immunity against the virus itself. However, if you missed it at that age bracket, you can have it up until the age of 45. What else can you do to prevent or to screen for cervical cancer? You can have your pap smear done. With a pap smear, the doctor looks into your cervix and sees whether there is any cancer growing, even if it is not showing any signs and symptoms. You know what I don't like about cancers? Cancers are so devious, they are so dangerous that it might not show symptoms or signs until it has spread over your body. That means it has gotten out of hand, up to stage 4. And then there's little or nothing your doctor can do. And then you don't have a chance of survival. Or your chances of survival are either very limited or at all, you don't have it. And so, why don't you go for your pap smear screening? Why don't you take your young girls between the ages of 9 and 26 for cervical screening? You will be saving a life. You will be saving yourself. Please like and share this video and share it to your mothers, to your sisters, to your friends that are women. Because together, you know what? We can prevent cervical cancer. If you need any advice or you need further explanation, please you can reach us out at healthtalkwithdrmo@gmail.com. Thank you for listening to this episode again. See you in the next episode.